are going to be talking about research. What I want to do is help you be able to find the things that you want quite easy by simply going into our school district's webpage. So what we're going to do is go to the top here. I'm in Google or Chrome, and we're going to type in the name of our school district, which is the Stevens Point Public Schools. Go ahead and search that. Now when you get here, what we're going to do is go into the district's Library Destiny webpage. And the easiest way to get there is by going to students, as that's what you are. So just remember, you're a student. You're going to go down here to Destiny Library Collection. And then you're going to see the elementary schools here listed, as well as the junior high and high schools. But for you, we're going to go ahead and select the school you're at, which is Bannock. And we're going to go ahead and look at some great resources that I have listed here for you. The first one I want to point out is Encyclopedia Britannica. So when you click on that, that's hyperlinked. And so it will take you into the Encyclopedia Britannica website. And you can see that this is again for elementary, and you're able to go ahead up to this search bar where it says search and type in what you're looking for. So if you're looking for information about metamorphic rocks, then you can just simply click search, and you can see that you're going to get different types of rocks. If you click on metamorphic rocks, you're going to see that it has some pictures. It has some information here listed for you. This will help you to scroll down, scroll up. And the other thing that's very nice is that it will read to you. So if you just click on this play button, and so it highlights as it reads for you. Another really great thing about this is that you're able to obviously print it. You can highlight it as a favorite. And then this is really important, as we've been talking about citing our resources. And so you'll see this little check mark, and that means to cite or to keep track of the information that you want to cite as being information that you got as important and you used it in your research. We're going to use MLA style, and you'll see here it says Metamorphic Rock was the title of the article. It's from Britannica School, Encyclopedia Britannica. It tells the date it was accessed, and it tells the web page address. So then what you could do then is simply highlight that, copy and paste that into your bibliography. So we've talked about bibliographies. So then if we go ahead and we search, say, tigers, I want to just highlight one other thing here for you. Many of these have tabs. So you can see that tiger has physical features, behavior, life cycles. Again, it will read it to you. And then something that's really neat is it has some pictures. You can click on related, and it will show you other things that are related to the tiger that may be of interest to you. We'll take you back to the article. Okay. Here you can see there are some pictures, and then here you see a little play symbol. It will take you into a video that shows tigers swimming. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go out of that too. So another area that's of interest that I want to point out to you is BadgerLink. And BadgerLink is a really great big resource that we have here in Wisconsin that's wonderful. For students would be where you'd want to head. And again, we're in elementary school, so we'd go there. And then if you look, we have some research guides here which will guide you through the process of doing research. We have the Super 3 and then just a guide here. If we scroll down, we have Explora, which is for elementary schools. We can go ahead and click on that. Waiting for that to load. Okay, so we can find books, journals, articles. If we want to find out more about animals, we could click in here. If we were interested in the alpaca, we could click on that, and we can find out, we can find some articles by clicking on the text. Again, you can listen if you Okay, so going back here. Okay, so there's lots of great resources here if you're doing a biography, any type of research that you'd like to do. Explorit is a new site that is really wonderful and useful to students. Another one would be, as we scroll down here, let's see. We have the Britannica School Elementary. We've already gone through that, but going here through Badgerlink is another option. There's primary search, which will take you through articles about things that you're interested in. So if we type in tigers, click search, it's going to give us, again, some articles that you can click on, listen to, find the text, that sort of thing. So there are some really great resources here in Badgerlink that are really wonderful for you. Another thing I want to highlight is that there's a place for a super search. If you want to do a search for things, you can simply type it in here. You can even ask a librarian when librarians are available to be asked. They will do that with you as well. I want to find, I want to learn about. So Badgerlink is another great resource for you. I have also hyperlinked here Kidtopia. This is a great resource for students. If you type in what you're interested in, tigers again, and do a search, it's going to give you lots and lots of options here about tigers, and you just can simply, interesting facts about tigers and cubs. It will list the facts, has experiments, games, facts, quizzes, projects, videos. There are lots of wonderful resources here for you as well. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and head back here. So I hope that by looking and using our library homepage, this has helped you with some of the sites that you can use for researching. I wish you luck, and always remember your librarian is there to help you when you need it.